A life-changing disaster or event can happen at any time. Natural disaster, flooding, car breakdown, stranded boat, loss, or mishap. If an unforeseen event was to happen, being prepared could mean the difference between life and death. First responders, whether dismounted on foot, boat, or air, are trying to cover as much ground as possible. To be rescued, you need to be seen or heard. You survived, now what? Rescue Signaling Flag Kit, designed to signal and alert first responders, alerting you in need of rescue, help, or in distress, reducing the amount of time it takes to be rescued. www.rescuesignalingkit.com